How to use the VLOOKUP function in Excel. For this tutorial, I have created a staff COVID-19 vaccination program. We will be using VLOOKUP to find out which staff is vaccinated and which vaccines they took. For this example, we will be using Pfizer-BioNTech, Moderna, Janssen and Sinovac. Without further ado, let us get started. Select cell C23. Type in the equal VLOOKUP, open parentheses. Select cell C22 and type in a comma. Select cell B6 and drag your cursor to C20 and type in a comma. Next, we will type in 2. The 2 represent the second column, which in this case represents status. Lastly, we will type in false. False help us to find the exact match wording, which we will be typing in C22. Close parentheses and hit return and we got an NA. It is because we have not put in the any name for our lookup. Select C22 and type in ELN and hit the return key. You will get vaccinated in cell C23. Let us try using Emma's name. This time we have gotten unvaccinated. VLOOKUP can be used in separate Excel as well. Let's say we have an Excel sheet of staff who is willing to travel during the epidemic period. How can we bring this table on sheet 2 to our staff COVID-19 vaccination program table on sheet 1? Let me show you how. Select cell E6 and type in the equal VLOOKUP, open parentheses. Next, select cell B6 and type in a comma. We will now go into sheet 2. Select cell B6 and drag your cursor to cell C20. Next, move your cursor to the formula bar and type in a comma. We are interested in finding out the staff who is willing to travel. Thus, we will type in 2 and type in a comma. Lastly, type in false to find the exact match. Close parentheses and hit return. You will see the list of yes and no for staff who is willing to travel or not. There you have it, the VLOOKUP function for Excel. If you have any Excel formula you want us to teach, let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button and turn on the notification to have more free Excel function tutorial. But, before you go, we have a bonus clip for you. I will be turning this Excel spreadsheet into an API. Stay tuned to see how the magic works. I will be using Alchemy J Studio Excel add-in to turn this VLOOKUP function Excel into an API. To do this, I will need Alchemy J Excel installed and with a preset of rules. I will select the Alchemy J ribbon, select Generate API and click on Generate API. The file is now converting. Okay, your API is ready. I will now launch this open API which Alchemy J generates and try using the VLOOKUP function on it. I will expand this tab and select Try it out. I will input ELN and see if he is vaccinated. Nice, he is vaccinated. Alright, let's try another example of Emma. So is she vaccinated? She is unvaccinated at the moment. Alchemy J Studio Excel add-in turns your Excel business model into API. This way, you can integrate your Excel model into other applications. You can download Alchemy J Studio Excel add-in for free at alchemyj.io. And once again, thank you for watching. So which Excel function you wish to be converted into an API? Let us know in the comments section below. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button and turn on the notification. See you soon.